Hi, welcome back to PathfinderPro. Glue, water-based glue specifically, does it make a difference? In the olden days, you used to have speed glue and it used to smell like fish, but hey, and then they banned it, health reasons, and we all moved to water-based glue. But is there really a difference between water-based glue? Do you want to find out? I actually bought some impact table tennis glue from a UK supplier at one of the tournaments I attended with somebody else coaching. I don't know if you can see that. Just underneath there is some fluid. And can you see how that glue's not moving? That top stayed on. I didn't leave that top off, but the glue solidified. Whatever was in there separated. Useless. Now, dual X. Tried that a couple of times. By the way, when that worked, it worked well. It just didn't last very long. That's still going strong. Not used it much. If you want to see a comparison of glues, and you want to know anything particular about them, post in the comments what you'd like to see tested with them. How long they last if you leave the top off? How long do you have to leave it to dry? How good are they at sticking the rubber down? What residues are left when you try and peel the rubber back? That's the type of thing that interests you. Like the video, please. If it's not, give it a thumbs down. Comments always welcome. Thank you.